Ernest Chiriacka, born Anastasios Kyriakakos, was a Greek-American painter whose glamour pinup work sits at a fascinating crossroads of mid-century illustration, commercial seduction, and painterly sophistication. His pinups were part of a broader artistic identity that blended pulp drama, Esquire-level polish, and a strong fine art sensibility. Kuryaka's pinup art, which he often signed as Darcy, is consistently described as one of his major artistic legacies. He became especially prominent when Esquire magazine hired him to take over their famous 12-page pinup calendar from 1953 to 1957, which remained the best-selling pinup calendar in the world during that period. This phase of his career sits between his earlier pulp and paperback illustration work and his later transition into Western fine art. Even as he moved on to frontier and Native American-themed painting in the 1960s and beyond, his pinups remained one of the most recognizable and collectible parts of his legacy. These art pieces are valued today for their blend of sensuality, narrative subtlety, and painterly technique, and also for the way they capture a specific moment in American visual culture when glamour illustration was at its peak.